Horseway Ludlow model in position there with its detachable handles on top with the Ludlow wheels to the left. We're now going to show you what you've got to do before you put the handles on. So Jack is going to come in now and put the weighbridge on its side to show you that the blue load bar cables must be well out of the way so the handles and wheels go on. So as you can see, they're well out the way, and I'm coming around here and they're well out the way. Okay, now Jack will lower the weighbridge gently, and he's now going to put the Ludlow wheels on. They go on either end, and watch him with the handle. With the handle, he's going to lift the weighbridge up and then drop the weighbridge in to the slot on the top of the Ludlow wheels. Okay, and then he's coming round to the other end, and he's going to put either handle will do. Underneath it drops in, and if I just go underneath, there it is, you can see it's in there. Okay, and then off he goes with the Ludlow wheels. Okay, then he's bringing it back. He's going to now reverse this process of taking the handle off, just pulling it out there, and now watch how he does the removal of the Ludlow wheels. He's lifting up on that handle in the middle and taking it out of the slots. Let me show you these slots that he's there. The one goes in there. So just once more, Jack, putting it on, and notice the handle is attached via a chain to the Ludlow wheels. He's lifting the Ludlow up, dropping it into those sections. Okay, and then he's coming round to the front and he's putting this handle on underneath there, pull it up, and away he goes. And that's Horseway Ludlow in transit. Thank you.